welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video with anybody, everybody. Yeah. So anyways, we're gonna do a Bulla challenge today, and we have pastry palace Bulla, but it's not an equal amount in the bag. At 6 in the bag.
A 2 you eat, no?
2 and a half.
No, I can't eat some Bulla.
You can't smoke Bulla?
Yeah, if I food, me eat 2.5 food, but Bulla, I can't smoke.
I can't bother the people pretend for the video. And no, you tell me say Bulla them too little a while ago.
Yeah, but you know, hear me say, for Bulla, me can't eat so much. If I food now, me eat enough.
So what make you just say Bulla them too little a while ago?
Because when I look at it now, I think of the one where they eat.
No.
But you not tell me about 2.5 Bulla.
2 are the old bag people. The first person to done. Babe, they know say you are done 2 Bulla in a one gap. So I know one to you.
The phone, eh?
Which phone that? I did that tell about it. Anyways.
How much for?
Anyways, the first person to drink water, pass the water them, sir. The first person to drink our water is the person who is losing. So we're not sponsored by iCool, no we're not, and we're not sponsored by Pastry Palace Bulla. We just do a competition between each other to see who are going. So we're gonna put much sure Odin is going to win this challenge. I know say one Bulla in their mode is like that's it for one Bulla. Break it in half and then push your light in their mouth. You guys are going to see. Oh yeah, laugher.
Make you laugh.
Where you laugher?
Make you laugh.
Okay, any minute now with the Bulla bag. I can't drink some water before I start the Bulla.
No.
I'm thirsty, man.
I'm on the buckle of water in the sea, could I drink funny?
So, alright. One Bulla for you. Bulla looks sick. And one Bulla for me. So, Lord, what if I eat to clear the veranda? Anyways, people. On your mark. You ready? Get your set. Go. Come now, Onion. No, one, not give me the time for you. Give me the time. No, you can't go now.
What, man?
Let's go walk. You try but Caballero when I get here. No.
People do like this.
Well, you can do it. Oh, you have 3 bites of your Bulla.
2 bites.
2 1 bite, 1 this one.
1 bite as well.
Just fun out, you're ready. You know them big foot kind of bloody?
Make you eat 2.5, yeah?
Drink a water like a turkey. You can also walk like a turkey. You have to pick up your nose and right? Not bad people.
Walk with food.
Walk with you? What do you want to do?
Let's do that.
It's sweet, but you have to pick up your nose, huh? Kapit wala ko lang niya mo, no?
No. Ito ko na bigo sa akin.
Ibu put wala niya mo, ano mahawa ko.
Diyan siya. Oh,
Iba. Wata ko diyan. Ano yung wata sa kaya mo?
wow.
No.
Wala kang bulo.
Make you drink some.
Yeah.
Make you drink some with it. We have like a second chance. Oh, we're gonna have 2 of these. That one better?
Eh, di ka man better.
Look at my ring. what do you think about people who are poor? You think of them make themselves poor?
Not necessarily.
But you're poor. Do you have to like forever be poor?
In some cases, yes. In some cases, no.
I don't believe so. Where come from?
Let me tell you this. That's why I have some place called rural community. Deep rural community. See me place eh? Man are wear I can't say no. Now I'm in real bad boy bad. Man are wear like I may say one suit of clothes. Alright, so for instance I have a job. But job I'm get below minimum wage. Far below minimum wage. And me and you know say minimum wage are not Jamaica, so yeah, gone past that. They might get way below minimum wage. But still no, I'm not saying in a one job. Because if you're in a one job, that means you can elevate yourself. Even if you are little or not, you can see it. So like you have some part where I can say no. If people end up poor, parents poor, or not saying that having a child is wrong, but there are some females out there where just I have pitney. Young pitness I have. And that don't make no sense. Then now, when you look, she not work, and the people that she get pregnant for, them not work. So you expect say pitney more go to school.
Alright.
And do all kind of stuff. Then now, when you look on it, and that's how poverty come from. It start develop from this because the parents can't help pitney figure where pitney figure. And then there's a now when a child grow up, how them go help themselves if they never get help from their small.
Personally, I think people are poor and they make themselves poor. I not look upon the aspect of saying that them born in a poverty and say them born in a poverty means that them are still in a poverty. Or them born in a poverty and because they live in a certain area or whatever. I was just talking about so many things that are implemented in the world for poor people to use to make themselves better.
And the poor people use certain things. Me hear you talk about YouTube. I mean, you think the government have to print things we give people nowadays when they have no internet. They don't have a phone, they don't have internet, they don't have shoes for them folks to go back to school, they know this, they know that. Some of them, I see them government have to provide for them, the palm part, then get one little tablet, right? Then get a little tablet, put it in and know if you use it. I force
So
them
because them poor, I said enough use it?
Tash, they're not exposed to the era of technology yet because of where they come from, the geographical location. So when they get something like that now, it's like it's foreign to them, it's new to them. So then get it, more look on it and then say, the first thing they take care of, alright, now play a game. And you see when I start play a game, 2 twos, you mash up.
But I talk about YouTube alone. Even though YouTube is a platform that you can make video and enough people don't have the thing, the device to do a YouTube. I not really look at it as an aspect. I'm just saying, because you do have persons out there who have device. But I'm saying, look for example, you can start a business by not even investing $1. Look for example, I do business where persons can order slippers, right? The person, well, me I got order for. Me not got order until the somebody give me the money. So if you're thinking, say you're in this status, and if you really sit down and think about how can you come out of this status, there will be a plan, there will be something we don't need not even $5 for.
That's right.
So,
now I cut you. Me actually I cut you, but now I cut you. Basically, as I may say, in some cases and in some cases not. You have the funds where you could have started buy slippers and sell slippers, buy slippers online for people and deliver it to them, right?
but no, babe, me never spend none of my money.
Or you get slippers them.
The price of the pay for slippers before me all that.
Yeah, I understand that. See? I understand that. But you tell me say somebody will live we don't in a country down in our world. In no see light unless a daylight. Him can just go to somebody and say, you know, say me I go look some slippers online though. And well on only time see light are when sunshine and daylight out. And him will go to somebody and say, you want two slippers?
Me not cut you. We're not making a change, we're making a mukbang. Me a dead.
Drink it first so me can know so me win.
We're not making a choice, it's a mukbang. Come.
Drink it so me know so me win. Alright, good, me win, you can't tell me no. Anyways,
you know, say Bulla sweet. But they are not dead. Talk.
I tell you say Bulla too sweet. What do I say? Yeah. Caveman style, right? And you tell me say he will get up and walk and pour in on nothing. He will get up and see somebody on the road and say, me do online shopping, you know. How the hell he do online shopping when he come from that part there, right? He don't know nothing about technology. He don't do this, he don't do that. And he walk and tell somebody that and somebody say, oh, alright, now support you.
Babe, it's all in the game. Me not expect you to just come out and put you on the decide say whatever. It's something where you have to have a mind. You would have come like friends and just say you want to start one business, right? You don't just sit up and say, alright, we'll start one business today. No. You decide how you go about it. So if you know so you're in this area now, try and link with someone who can help you to build yourself onward. So if you're not used to technology, I'm pretty sure that you can't go from an era where nobody running on the technology.
Yeah.
Which era then?
Hold on. Yeah, people only got have technology, but you as an individual, everybody else can come around you and say, alright, let me show you something. No,
but me not expect somebody if you come around me expect say if you want better for yourself in the audience, you have to make your nose run now. So you're not gonna just expect somebody to come to you and say, yo audience, this and that. No. You probably have a friend and you realize your friend have this opportunity. Look for instance when you go to school. Sometimes when you go to school you see them different type of people in a different they at a higher level, you know. Sometimes they might be selfish, but if you really go around them and you start think different, stop thinking on the level where them are think say, okay, because them have a phone and them are just and them are that's a friend and them power with you and you're not gonna do that because them power with you and you power them. You can come around and our friend even though me know you have some school, but me not really talk on the school level still. Me I talk on after it's certain level because after you come from me, the school level is like you start to do better. It's like you start to do much better. Right? So I not talk about school level. I just talk about an adult base level.
Even me in an adult stage now, I not do certain things to get recognized or get recognition. And not everybody I go get up and say, alright, me want this, you know, so I go sponge pan you, I go sponge pan this, and I go par with it just to get that. That makes sense.
No, but me not really separate them, but I'm saying if like you have a friend who is up to that standard.
Yeah, but that's why I make go back to say you have the advantages and you have the disadvantages. Same way. Because look, I know everybody you are going to get up and say, alright, you are. Me and you are going to be friends. You say, pick me? Are you adult? Let me put it, pick me. Because adult difficult more you pick me. Pick me with then when they have one tablet and then one seat. And one little man down the road say, nah, no. Only thing you know say, you can't drink the water at night time. Only thing you know say, you can drink the water at night time and go in bed. And you have one little one up this up. You can get film good mackerel and rice down in bed at night time, you eat in pork on Sunday daytime and then something there. You have in tablet and something. You have friend at school already when you communicate with you. You feel say you feel say him go him see me say a little man down here and say, yo, come here now. Me have one tablet, come me show you something. I think me I'll do that. He might expect it after people. If you say more come call him. No, you have a friend in my school, you have a tablet and a phone already.
I know, but you
so,
know some
how he more elevate himself now from poverty. When him poor, his parents poor, can't help him. Family member, definitely, maybe not help him out because our parents stay, because your family member will stay so. You know, so they have a little toddler in our family, but because them and the parents fall out, then decide to, you know, when I have pitney, me and the mother and the father in a done, blam. Oh, pitney go suffer right through life.
Not to suffer right through life, babe,
No,
because
you know,
there's so many persons out there in the world that coming from a very poor background that is today them rich as in rich. And them never just sit back and thing there.
Hold on now. After that now. So for you're poor, you know. You go up, you grow up now. As so comes you're looking at life and you say, alright, bam, you know say, I can't make one look at money, I can't make one look at this and I can't make one look at that. That's the only way I see you can make it out, but what? You still have to have people around because you yourself not have nothing. You still have to have one look somebody around the place so we say, you know what I mean? I'll help you out. Or you go and mix up the concrete and throw a bucket on one side. Find somebody where have little money where you say, yo, you know, say me wake up a yard for you and give you one little money. And so that's the only way I see as an adult you can actually start and you make one little money. If they make a little money now, you say, I know I mean, I put on this. Then something I see really help is that you left a place where you grow. Leave a community where you're born and grow. Come out time. Leave, you know, stay in there. After you leave now, and you notice, alright, wow, what a world me live in and I never know about this. And then so now you are going to see different ventures where you can go out and do all kind of something. So you have the ups and downs, and if, as to me say, a little man down there so, and then one other little man up there so, he now just get up and help him so. You know, go do it. And you have some adults who are selfish, bad.
I know that. But sometimes them say you have to kiss the ass to make it.
Nah, kiss it, no.
No.
That's why I give thanks.
No, but that's a you. But that's a you. But
what I nah kiss it because what? You have some people out there, they are very, very disrespectful.
that is true.
Very. That's
that
why
is
I
true. But
I
sometimes
nah go kiss it. I nah go say it because I reach at a certain point in my life where me nah say me alright, but me nah walk and beg nobody. And me give thanks for that every day. Me give thanks for what people do for me, family members, friends, everybody, right? But no, especially nowadays, it's hard for people just get up and kiss us.
it's hard, but sometimes you just have to do what you have to do.
That's why I say to people when people are complaining about say family, you know, for business with family, because family put you down. You don't know what chat say. You don't know what talk say. Because if you did live good with your family, in a start, then now go get up and look down upon you. Listen, in a certain way. If you did get up and decide, say, yeah, what? Me am a family person. I get up and I work hard, same way. I demonstrate my family. You feel say not even one somebody in your family have look at money and go look upon you and say, no, say, boy, you're a good boy. Come and carry with him.
At the end, you have to look upon it. Not every family member is like that.
Me never
You
say
have
every
some-
me say if a one family member I go look upon you and say, alright.
But sometimes when you have one family member, you feel like you think they're the good one, and because the bitter one kind of be more, because sometimes you have the bitter one, they're more the one up front. So it's like, you see when you have the bitter one, you don't really want to mesh with the other ones. You don't even, want to stop to spend the time to even go know who are the better ones.
No, that's why I say that's why I use it in my first part to say you're a family person. So you know say you're doing a family everything alright, and then even if half of your family bitter, one next half of your family can bitter just as he want to bitter. Something I got in it.
But you really have it kind of shaky. In every situation it kind of shaky. But me just personally think say, no, because you're born in a property, you go forever stay in a property. Or you think
No,
you
me
should
never say
forever
you go forever stay in it, but it's not all the time.
Yeah, not you say you're forever stay, but some people live as if them just forever have to be poor. Them just
No, me no want to say them worthless. Me would have never say somebody worthless. But them, me can say they not care. People like, no, if you not care, if you're worthless, doesn't mean you not care. You can worthless at certain things, and you can work, and you cannot be worthless towards certain things. Same like some fathers, if baby mother that look upon him and say, oh,
turn black.
If baby mother that look upon him and say him worthless because he not take care of his son or his daughter. But in our next case now, your father might be a look about one look at something where other people see him say, you know, say that man, him a work towards something in our life. Two different somebody that I look for you. Baby mother, you say you're worthless when you born and you're out there doing look at something. We are trying to venture and you are trying to build yourself, you know. And somebody else look up to you. So that's just life. Can't please black man or black woman, you know?
Not true. Not black people in general. Let's not say black people.
Me?
No, let's not say black people. People in general. You cannot please people in general. It's people in general, not black people.
Me, I judge my kind because I'm a black man. Me now go get up and judge no other race. I am a black man, so I judge what I know.
But you have experience with white race,
Yeah,
so you can't.
I am not white, so I won't judge the whites.
Well, we should not judge anybody still.
Eh?
Should not pass judgment. But...
Well, God give you an option to do whatever we want to do, with our mind and for our life. So nobody can say we're not supposed to do this or we're not supposed to do that.
I think the Bible said of a pass judgment. Anyhow.
Well.
People, the mukbang turn out, the Bulla competition turn out into a deep conversation. So, we are going to teddy bear now from the thing. So people, yes. So we are finished with this video. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to go subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment based on what you were talking about and give the video a big thumbs up. Until another video or vlog. Bye.